Battery Energy Storage Systems, BESS. Battery energy storage is a technology that enables the capture and release of energy stored in batteries. This can be done to support the grid, provide backup power, or even store energy generated by renewable resources like solar and wind. The benefits of battery energy storage are many, but the most important one is its ability to help shift the global energy mix away from fossil fuels and towards cleaner, renewable sources. Not only does this reduce our reliance on polluting fossil fuels, but it also helps to stabilize the grid by providing a source of power that can be dispatched when needed. Battery energy storage is a technology that stores energy in batteries for later use. This can be used to supplement or replace traditional grid-based power generation and consumption. Battery energy storage systems can range from small, portable devices to large, utility-scale systems. The benefits of battery energy storage include: 1. Reduced reliance on the grid. By storing energy in batteries, you can reduce your dependence on the electric grid. Large-scale battery storage systems can also help to stabilize the electric grid by providing backup power and smoothing out fluctuations in demand. This is especially beneficial during power outages or other times when the grid is unavailable. 2. Increased renewable energy use. Battery storage can enable greater use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. 3. Battery energy storage is a rapidly evolving technology with many potential applications. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and consume electricity. How battery energy storage works. The technology behind battery energy storage is relatively simple. Batteries store electricity in the form of chemical energy, which can be converted back into electrical energy as needed. When electricity is generated from renewable sources like solar or wind, it is often intermittent and may not always match demand. Battery energy storage can help to even out the fluctuations by storing excess electricity when it is available and releasing it when demand is high. Batteries come in a variety of sizes and chemistries, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Some battery types are better suited for the quick release of large amounts of power, while others can provide a steadier supply of power over a longer period of time. The key components of a battery energy storage system are the batteries themselves, a controller to manage charging and discharge, and an inverter to convert the stored DC electricity into AC for use by the business owner, if not the grid itself. Pros and cons of battery energy storage. When it comes to battery energy storage, there are both pros and cons that need to be considered. On the pro side, battery energy storage can help to even out the peaks and valleys of electricity demand. This can lead to more efficient use of the power grid and lower electricity costs. Additionally, battery energy storage can provide backup power in the event of a power outage. On the con side, battery energy storage is a relatively new technology and thus can be expensive. Additionally, batteries have a limited lifespan and must be properly disposed of when they reach the end of their usefulness. You may be asking yourself, sounds great, but what's in it for me? By installing a BESS in conjunction with a renewable source such as a wind turbine or a PV system, you stand to benefit from storing the energy produced to use at another time. Most businesses in the UK work just 5 days a week. Potentially, that's 29% of weekly usage going to waste. Sure, you can sell it back to the grid, but why would you choose to do that when the cost to buy it back again is very likely 5 to 10 times higher than what you sold it for? 29% wastage every single day. That's a lot of electricity you could be using, and a lot of money you could be utilizing to grow your business. It's certainly no secret that the national grid is struggling to keep up with the ever-increasing demand we're all putting on it. No more so than it is now following the EV car revolution. There's even talk of blackouts and restricting usage. worrying possibilities if you're a business with a full order book. While battery storage would unlikely fully plug your power outage problem, it would certainly go a long way to reducing your downtime if restrictions were indeed put in place. Also worth noting is that if your land, be it a farm or industrial land, happens to have a substation installed within it, there's a real possibility that a self-contained battery energy storage system could be built in close proximity to it to help facilitate the grid. While the process is rather complex and hugely expensive, it's possible that your land could help facilitate such energy support to the grid, and thus you'll be handsomely rewarded for doing so. Yes, these types of battery storage systems are hugely expensive, but that doesn't mean you can't benefit. At the Power Hub, we have the investors ready to invest. If you have land, we have everything else. All seeming like a minefield? Well, it doesn't have to. When you decide to work with us, we take care of everything. How to pull this all together is exactly what we do. Our BESS experts understand the market, speak the language of the energy suppliers, organize the investment, and understand the planning implications. In fact, we manage the whole process from start to finish. Our credibility in this space ensures a quick and responsive, smooth transition. If you're considering a battery energy storage system to complement your renewable energy source, or just want to understand if your land is suitable for BESS, click the button or link below this video, and one of the Power Hub's experts will reach out to you for an informal chat.